Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, west central Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:34 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Erin, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Erin, Clarksville, Pleasant View, Van Leer, Cedar Hill, Cumberland City, Sladen, Cheatham Dam, Palmyra, and Cunningham. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 13 and 22. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee.